Well, guys, I have this all prepared. Put some of the firewood in here, so I'm getting ready to go ahead and start the fire and take care of this buck of mine that bloated and died. I hope I got it. There we go. Going right there, guys. So let's go ahead and see if we can start a fire. I can't dig a hole. It's gonna be take me a while to do digging, so it's better for me to just go ahead and dispose it, and whatever remain that it's cooked, my guardian dog have some snack. That's all I can do, guys. It's just the way life. Sometimes in the farm you win or you lose. So I have 2 deaths already this year. 3 days ago I got a little buckling. That one there got hurt by the other goats with the horn, and this one here I changed the hay feeding last night, and then this is what I have. So there we go, guys. I have some of it are burnt in the upper part, so I'll wait for a little bit and then I'll go turn it over so you can see the big goat is right underneath that fire. Well, hello guys, so this is my goat that I kind of barbecue, our big pack right here. So let me go ahead and see. I kind of want to go ahead and tip it over. So it's right in there. So as you can see right there. Right there is already kind of burnt. Part of it. But what I want to do is turn it over. That way I would be able to see if the bottom part is cooked. So we'll see if this thing is gonna, if I can tip it over. It's heavy, guys. Oh, wow, he did really bloat, as you can see. The poor thing really bloat. Wow, I don't know, this is heavy. It's a lot of meat in here, guys. Oh my goodness, I can't even hardly move. I don't know how am I gonna do this. It's a lot of meat in here. But my goal is to, if I can, holy guacamole, how am I gonna do this? Let me think it over. How do I tip it over? Right? Without me being hurt. See? So maybe what I do is move this. Oh boy, hold on here. Let me move this one wood. Probably right here. Holy cow. It's heavy. And it looks like my pitchfork is not gonna, it's not be able to handle it. I'll give it a try again. Wait, guys. So there's the meat right here. My goodness. How am I gonna do this? I gotta go get something heavier to turn this over, guys. I can't turn it over, I think. As I can see. Now, it's so heavy. I can't say. That's too much. Too much heavy. Hold on. Do it again. Maybe if I can. Ow. It's big, guys. This is heavy. Okay, I gotta do something else. I can't do it. Look at what I'm dealing in here. That's a big meat in there. And I can't move it with my pitchfork. You know, pitchfork. This is what you call pitchfork. So guys, I got an idea. Since I can't turn this meat over, so what am I gonna do, guys, is just let me get this thing out of my way a little bit so I don't get burnt. So I'm gonna try pulling this. Oh, maybe I could. See, guys, wow, I'm turning the meat over. Ayan, guys, see, there's my lechon. And then see why I said that. See, this is all the food that he's been eating last night, and he really bloat, guys. So I'm gonna clean up some of the hay here. His intestine is coming out. So I got me a barbecue goats in here, right? As you can see, look at that. See, there's the barbecue goat. So look at how a lot of meat in here. There's this a nice part in here. So I kind of tip it over, but what I want to do is really, guys, is to cut it pieces so that way I can cook it better. So let's see if we can cut these pieces. I'm gonna use my axe to cut it. So let's see, guys. Sorry, it's gonna. So that way I can cook it better, right? So I'm cutting it pieces so that way I can cook much better. So I got it. Hey guys, I really need to cut this because the inside it's not cooked yet. Where's my axe? That's ridiculous. Okay, let's see. I have another problem. I need to cut the part in there. I think if I can get to it. Hold on, guys. Okay, perfect. It's so heavy. Okay, now let me get the fire going in here. My goodness, what am I doing? See what happened if I don't take care of it. So let's move the camera up here so I can cut this back part. Intestine, guys, I gotta get the intestine out of here. Come on, guys. See, it's still not cooked inside. That's what I want to do, is cook it and then save the back so I can recook that one. Okay, let's chop it again. Okay, so I got that part in there. So now I wanna move this thing, push a little bit there, guys. Since anyway, it's hard. So this one here, I got the back part. See, there we go. It's a lot of meat. Oh, there we go. So I wanna kind of cook that one right there. See, it's overcooked now. So the good part of it is I cut it in half. I'm saving it, some of the meat, because that way my guardian dog can have some. Oh, I know. See, this is what happened why he died. He bloated. Okay guys, he bloated. So I kind of chop. I don't know what else I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna put more fire around it, and then we'll go from there. So let's get busy here while I'm okay. Let's see what I need here is this one. I want to go over the top of this lechon goat, guys. I know that's a good meat. That's why I'm saving it to my guardian dog. They've been worked so hard, so they deserve to have some goat meat, barbecue goat meat. That's all you can do is barbecue goat meat. So I do not want them to eat it raw. Okay? So now what I need to do is left this one here. This one I need to put it over the top. Let's see, guys. Hold on. Oh, that's a perfect one. Oops. Where's my pitchfork? Yeah. So now what I wanted is probably to put this other one over the top. This one here. I'll put it over the top in here. Hopefully, I hope. Yeah, and just let it cook. Let it cook. Okay, I got one more. That's I guess that's about it, guys. That's all I can do. So for the meantime, thank you for watching. It's just a sad day. Another loss of animal here in the farm. Bye, see you guys later. Life.